guys, it's Ayiana Maria and I am back. Yes, I am back with another guitar lesson. Today we're going to be learning how to play Put on Repeat by Sabrina Claudio. Let's jump right to it. Alright, so this song consists of 3 chords. That is right, only 3 chords that you need to know. And those three chords are C minor, G minor, and F. So we start off on the 3rd fret, the minor bar chord shape for the C minor. And then you move to the G minors, still on the 3rd fret. But you bar the 3rd fret with your 1st finger, and then your 3rd and 4th fingers are on the 5th and 4th strings of the 5th fret. Then F. You're on the 1st fret, barring the whole thing, and then you have the major bar chord shape. And then lastly, you go back to the 1st chord, you go back to that C minor. So all together you have C minor, G minor, F, C minor. And that is how you play Put on Repeat by Sabrina Claudio. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed it and if you learned a lot. And also if you would like to see the full in-depth video, including chord charts, lyrics, and backing tracks, please join my Patreon where you will get all of that plus much more. I'll see you there. Peace out.